Jump.
Jump.
He jumped over the puddle.
He jumped over the puddle.
Run.
Run.
They run every morning to stay fit.
They run every morning to stay fit.
Write.
Write.
She writes letters to her grandmother.
She writes letters to her grandmother.
Sing.
Sing.
He loves to sing in the shower.
He loves to sing in the shower.
Climb.
Climb.
We climbed the mountain last weekend.
We climbed the mountain last weekend.
Cook.
Cook.
He cooked a delicious meal for dinner.
He cooked a delicious meal for dinner.
Laugh.
Laugh.
The kids laughed at the funny joke.
The kids laughed at the funny joke.
Drive.
Drive.
She drives to work every day.
She drives to work every day.
Paint.
Paint.
He painted the entire house by himself.
He painted the entire house by himself.
Read.
Read.
I read a fascinating book last night.
I read a fascinating book last night.
Throw.
Throw.
He threw the ball across the yard.
He threw the ball across the yard.
Catch.
Catch.
He caught the frisbee in midair.
He caught the frisbee in midair.
Swim.
Swim.
She swam in the ocean for hours.
She swam in the ocean for hours.
Listen.
Listen.
She listens to podcasts while driving.
She listens to podcasts while driving.
Speak.
Speak.
He speaks fluent French and Spanish.
He speaks fluent French and Spanish.
Draw.
Draw.
She loves to draw landscapes in her sketchbook.
She loves to draw landscapes in her sketchbook.
Push.
Push.
He pushed the cart through the crowded supermarket.
He pushed the cart through the crowded supermarket.
Pull.
Pull.
The dog pulled on the leash excitedly.
The dog pulled on the leash excitedly.
Dance.
Dance.
They danced all night at the wedding.
They danced all night at the wedding.
Fix.
Fix.
He fixed the broken chair with some glue.
He fixed the broken chair with some glue.
Buy.
Buy.
She bought a new phone last week.
She bought a new phone last week.
Sell.
Sell.
He sells cars at the dealership.
He sells cars at the dealership.
Play.
Play.
The children played soccer in the park.
The children played soccer in the park.
Clean.
Clean.
She cleaned the entire house in the morning.
She cleaned the entire house in the morning.
Open.
Open.
He opened the door for his guests.
He opened the door for his guests.
Close.
Close.
She closed the book and put it away.
She closed the book and put it away.
Teach.
Teach.
He teaches history at the local school.
He teaches history at the local school.
Learn.
Learn.
She learned how to knit from her grandmother.
She learned how to knit from her grandmother.
Build.
Build.
They built a sandcastle on the beach.
They built a sandcastle on the beach.
Hide.
Hide.
The cat hides in the box when it's scared.
The cat hides in the box when it's scared.
Watch.
Watch.
He watches movies on the weekends.
He watches movies on the weekends.
Repair.
Repair.
He repaired his bicycle after it broke.
He repaired his bicycle after it broke.
Cut.
Cut.
She cut the vegetables for the salad.
She cut the vegetables for the salad.
Wash.
Wash.
He washes his car every Sunday.
He washes his car every Sunday.
Travel.
Travel.
They travel to a new country every summer.
They travel to a new country every summer.
Plan.
Plan.
She planned her friend's surprise party.
She planned her friend's surprise party.
Answer.
Answer.
He answered the question confidently.
He answered the question confidently.
Shout.
Shout.
She shouted for help when she got lost.
She shouted for help when she got lost.
Visit.
Visit.
They visited their grandparents during the holiday.
They visited their grandparents during the holiday.
Search.
Search.
He searched the internet for information.
He searched the internet for information.
Whisper.
Whisper.
She whispered a secret into her friend's ear.
She whispered a secret into her friend's ear.
Sit.
Sit.
They sat on the bench by the lake.
They sat on the bench by the lake.
Borrow.
Borrow.
She borrowed a book from the library.
She borrowed a book from the library.
Decorate.
Decorate.
She decorated the room for the party.
She decorated the room for the party.
Bake.
Bake.
She baked a chocolate cake for her birthday.
She baked a chocolate cake for her birthday.
Erase.
Erase.
She erased the mistake from the whiteboard.
She erased the mistake from the whiteboard.
Explore.
Explore.
They explored the city on foot during their vacation.
They explored the city on foot during their vacation.